Hello and welcome to Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. My name is Ashley and today I'm just going to give you a quick walkthrough on this brand new 2020 Winnebago Adventurer. This is the 29B model. It's one of my favorite floor plans because you get all the basics that you might want. Beautiful paint on this one, and we'll go inside real quick. First thing you'll notice, nice little cubby hole down there. See how deep that is? Can fit a lot of shoes. And coming on up the steps, you will see the reclining, swiveling captain's chairs up front. Really large dash screen. And up above your head, you're going to have a power drop-down extra bed. And continuing on back, you're going to have a sofa that turns into a bed and a booth that turns into a bed. Over here at the sink, you have a really nice tall faucet, nice bamboo cutting boards and covers for your stainless steel sink. They did a great job with the kitchen here. You have both a propane and an induction burner, as well as a large convection microwave combo. All of your panels and controls are going to be in one nice spot. You don't have to search around. They did a great job with the bathroom as well. Winnebago's really been stepping up their game this year. You can see nice counter space, storage, glass sliding doors, even a spot for your magazines. Even the fridge blends in. Nice pantry storage area. And back in the bedroom, you're going to see a lot of closet space, extra drawers, queen size bed, storage all around it, plug-ins, USB, 12 volt, and underneath, extra storage. As well as a full length mirror so you can see what you're getting dressed in the morning. Nice big window on the back. So the whole feel of this one is really nice, open, airy. Comes in a couple different color schemes here. One of my favorite things about this floor plan is actually on the outside, so I'm going to show that to you real quick. Now, in addition to a lot of storage underneath, this one actually comes with the grill, and that grill goes along with an outdoor kitchen. So when you're entertaining, you're going to have a TV right here. And underneath here, if you take a little peek, we're parked close today. Nice outdoor kitchen, shelf, mini fridge, drawers, sink, and counter space. So this is a beautiful unit with a lot of storage. You get the sofa, you get the booth, you get multiple bed areas, lots of fun outside. If you have any other questions about it, please don't hesitate to give me a call. Again, my name is Ashley here at Guaranty in Junction City, and you can reach me directly at 541-337-2387. Thank you so much for watching.